Oh, I'm going to give this thing a try. I didn't put gas or anything in it, just what's in it is in it. I turned on got it hooked up to water and purged the air out. So let's see what it does. Looks like it still has some air in it. Might have to adjust the carburetor or clean it. Seems to work good. The muffler's loose in the port, so maybe I'll find one that'll bolt to the engine block, or maybe I'll just leave it. This is this is loose, but that was coming unscrewed. I'll have to get some. You can see the end of the threaded things coming off. So anyway, we got a good pressure washer, so I think I'll put it on Craigslist. I haven't even put gas in it. I've done 0 to it. Tightened up the little nut on the spark plug that was wiggling loose, but other than that, yeah. Looks like pretty good. pretty good pressure washer. Let's see if it starts back up. Again, like, whoops, it kicks back when you got some serious compression. Yeah, it's got some, you got to get it on the compression stroke, but the only thing really that I see is this muffler. Kind of rattles around, but it works. But there's 2 bolt holes there, and you put a, well, if I have a muffler that'll fit it, I'll put it on. Otherwise, the heck with it. I'm just gonna sell it as it is. It works pretty good. I did replace the little fuel filter because it was kind of Mickey Mouse and looked like it would fall off, but the gas was actually turned on this thing the whole time it sat in the garage, and it didn't leak any gas, so the carburetor doesn't need touching. It doesn't look like it needs anything but a new home. I'm not even going to do anything more to it. I'm just going to sell it as is. Hit the like button if you enjoyed my video. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.